I know you're a great, good spider, but you can't hang out at my door. So, can we relocate you? Is this possible? Oh boy. Don't look incredibly. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. That'll do. Yeah, I need you to relocate somewhere else. Thank you. Maybe keep moving. Come on, get on here. I'd like to kind of take you out to the yard. Come on. No, I don't need you. No. I don't need you around the porch. Wow, this is not a very agile spider, is it? There we go. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's do something different. Okay, just walking down to that end, so I'm gonna deposit you here. How about that? That's an acceptable location. That would be fun to watch you. Thank you. Much better. All right, set up shop there, not by my front door. I'll be back to check on you.